Yes. اقرأ read الفقرة التالية the following passage ثم أجب عن الأسئلة التالية the following questions you have to answer. Okay, first let's read the paragraph. الإجازة means the إجازة means vacation, the vacation. فرصة جيدة. Look at here, this case ending is telling us they both are connected. So we have to translate together. Okay, what is Jaida means good. What Fursa means opportunity. So it will be good opportunity. Okay, so you have to translate together. Good opportunity. The vacation is good opportunity. للقيام لي to قيام set up بعادات Sihiyatin. Look at here, same case ending. So we have to translate together, right? What is sihiya means? Healthy. What is adatin means? Habits. Healthy habits. Okay. So the vacation is a good opportunity to set up healthy habits. Wa and we know that amalin mumayyizatin. See, lin. Yes, it's have the same case ending. Now we have to translate together. Okay, what is mumayyiza means unique or special. Amalin means work. So special works that which we can't do in our regular schedule, like when we are going to school, we can't do some things, right? So we can do the missed works on the vacation. So that's what it means. So al ijaza is a good opportunity to set up healthy habits and special works. Very good. Wa and min. Actually, it is min. Okay, it's having a jazam here. To merge and read, we are putting fatha actually. Okay. What is min means? It's a proposition from and from al adati asihiyati al jayyidati. That means these three are related. Okay, we have to translate together. Jayida means good. See here, healthy habits. Good healthy habits. And from good healthy habits, allati. Look at here, ism mausul allati used. It's a feminine singular. Why we are using a feminine? They here in this topic there is no name of any feminine person. Still we are using the feminine ism mausul. Why? Because the topic which we are talking about, adati. See, habits is a feminine word. That's why. Okay. Allati, that which. Yajibul hirsu. Must. Yajibu means must. Okay. Hirsu means careful. We must be careful. Al qiyami biha. To set up those habits. What is that? Fil ijaza. In the vacation. What is that? That must be taken care to set up. That is mumarisatur riyadati, practice of sports, or else you can say exercise. Okay, when you're doing exercise, you must be careful that what this sentence means. Okay, next, fahiya. So it. So hiya means actually she, right? So you may be getting the doubt. Hiya means she. Why we are using she here? Just now I discussed why we are using the she. In this paragraph, we will be using a she verb, she pronoun, she ism mausul. All the feminine things we will be using. Why? Because the topic is habits, which is a feminine word. Okay, that's why we are using the. So we have to translate it, not she. Okay, so it is fursatun. See, same case ending rayatun, amazing opportunity. So it is an amazing opportunity للتمتع, to enjoy bijismin salimin. See, same case ending. So we have translated healthy body. So it is an opportunity to get it is an amazing opportunity to get a healthy body. Khalin, free, min, from, al amrad. Marada is a word, singular word, that means disease. Amrad means it's a plural. Okay, amrad, diseases, plural word. So what does that mean? So it's a amazing opportunity to enjoy and to get a healthy body and free from diseases. Okay, tusaidu. See, the verb is starting with the. So just now we discussed it's a she, right? How we have to translate? Yes, it. Okay, tusaidu. It helps fil hifaz, in protecting al wazani al musalla, the ideal weight. Okay, so exercises will be helping you to get the ideal weight. Bil idafa, in addition, ila annaha, to that, tazidu, it increases, min, from nashat al jismi. Nashat al jismi means physical activity. Okay, when you're doing exercises, they are saying you will be getting an ideal weight, and you will be getting a healthy body and free from diseases, and also physical activity. You will be getting a full of physical activity, nashat al jism, physical activity, mimma, from that which yab'asu ash-shu'ur. Shu'ur means feeling. So from that you will be getting a feeling bil hayawiyya. Hayawiyya means actually feeling lively, or else you can say energetic. You will be like so when you're doing exercises in the early morning, then you will be suddenly feeling like very healthy, very energetic. Okay, was and happy. Okay, next, wala budda an yakuna, this also means must be, li ahli, to family. Ahli means family. And nasibul akbar, nasibul akbar means greatest or biggest share, min hazhil ijaza, from this vacation. So in the vacations, the family must be having the biggest share, okay, to do all these things. Okay. Fa tawasulu, connecting, ma'a, with, al aqrabi, the relatives. Aqrabi means relatives. Fi zillil hayatil mu'asirati, in shadow of this modern life. Haya means life, and muasira means this modern contemporary life. So, connecting with the relatives in this modern life, asbaha, asbaha, become, aqalla, less, from that which kana alayhi sabiqa, compared to previous days. It becomes very less these days, communicating or like connecting with the relatives, going and meeting up them, become very less compared to the olden days. That's what it means. Okay, bisababil inshighal, bisabab means reason. What is the reason for that? Inshighal, the busyness of the people. Waziq al waqti, and ziq al waqti means the narrow time. Like there's the schedules of the people become very narrow, tight schedules. The workload is high. So ziq al waqti means narrow time, or you can say less time. Allazi, the one, yu'ani minhul kathirun. So here many, kasirun means many of, suffers from it. Okay, many people suffers from it. أعتقد أن الإجازة أعتقد أن means I think that الإجازة وقت مناسب, suitable time. وقت مناسب, suitable, وقت, time. The vacation is a suitable time, جدا, very suitable time, لزيارة, to visit, الأقراب, to visit the relatives. Ijaza is a suitable time, holidays, vacation is a suitable time to visit the relatives. ولكن but غير مناسب, not suitable or not reasonable, لزيارة في وقت الامتحانات. So it's not correct time to visit the relatives in the time of exams. Okay, so I think everyone understood the paragraph. Now let's do the question and answers. Come on, now let's do the questions. Okay, let me take the pen. Yes, ضع, put, alama, sign, sawabin أو خطأ أمام العبارة. So we have to put the wrong sign in front of the wrong sentences. Okay, come on. الإجازة, the vacation, فرصة جيدة, good opportunity, للقيام, to set up, بعادات صحية, for the good healthy habits. The vacation is a good opportunity or not? Yes, it's a good opportunity. Next, من العادات الصحية الجيدة, good healthy habits, from good healthy habits, تناول, eating, الفواكه, فواكه means fruits. So eating fruit is a good healthy habit, is it? Yes. Next, ممارسة الرياضة, sports, تقلل, make it less, تقلل, make it less, من نشاط الجسم, physical activity. Less physical activity, doing sports is a less physical activity? No. So it's a wrong. Next, أقضي, I spend, وقتا ممتعا, fun time, مع, with, أسرتي, my family, وأصدقائي, my friends. So I spend fun time with my family and my friends. So it's not related to the passage actually, but still maybe it's correct. Okay, next one. Al-ijazatu, the vacation, waqtun غير مناسب. Not غير, not suitable. وقت, time. جدا, it's not very suitable time to زيارة الأقرب, to visit the relatives. So vacation is not a suitable time to visit the relatives, is it? No, it's wrong. Very good. Now the next Roman. ثانيا, second, أجيب عن الأسئلة الآتية. So we have to answer the following question. ضع عنوانا للفقرة. So we have to give a name to this passage, like a title. So what will be the title? So it's talking about the healthy habits in the vacation. So we can say healthy habits in the vacation, right? Okay, let's give healthy habits. Oh, what is a healthy habit? Means al-adat as-sihiyya. Sorry for my handwriting actually. Sihiyya, okay? Al-adat as-sihiyya, the healthy habits, and you can extend fi in al-ijaza. You can write in the vacation too, okay? Ijaza. Ijaza. Oh, very good. So we get this making sense, right? Okay, let's do the second one. ما العادات الصحية الجيدة التي يجب. Okay, ما, what عادات صحية جيدة. See, we have to translate good healthy habits. What are the good healthy habits? التي, that which, يجب, must be taken care, عليها, doing it, في الإجازة. So, which work must be taken care to be doing in the vacation? What was that? Yes, I found it. وَمِنَ الْعَادَاتِ الصِّحِّيَّةِ. See, وَمِنَ الْعَادَاتِ الصِّحِّيَّةِ, from the good healthy habits, care must be taken على قيامة, to setting up it في الإجازة. So, what will be the answer? ممارسة الرياضة. So, you have to write this. You have to write the whole sentence and then add this word. Okay, ممارسة الرياضة. Very good. Next question. هل الإجازة, does the vacation, فرصة جيدة, good opportunity, للقيام, to set up عادات الصحية, to set up the healthy habits. Is إجازة, the vacation is a good opportunity, is it? So you just simply write نعم, yes. Okay, no need to search from the passage. You can actually write yes, نعم, نعم, yes. Write the whole sentence. الإجازة فرصة جيدة للقيام عادات الصحية. Okay, let's go to the second page. Yes, ما فوائد ممارسة الرياضة. What are the فوائد means benefits. ممارسة الرياضة, with the sports or else exercise. What are the benefits with the exercise? Yeah, what are the benefits? We can see, yeah. See, from here you can write بجسم سليم, good healthy body, خال من أمراض, free from the diseases, تساعد في الحفاظ على الوزن, in maintaining a good weight, بالإضافة إلى أنها تزيد من نشاط الجسم, and it will increases the physical activity. You can write, like, you can write two sentences, or if you want to write, you can write till here. Okay, you can just write بجسم سليم or خال من أمراض. Enough, I think. Till here it's enough. Yeah, next question. لماذا, why, أصبح, it become, تواصل مع أقربي, communicating with the relatives, أقل, less, comparing the سابقا, previously. Why it become less comparing to the previous, communicating with the, let's search from the passage. Yeah, أقربي. Yes, we can write from here. في ظل الحياة المعاصرة, in this modern, أصبح أقل مما كان عليه, it become very less. Why? بسبب الانشغال. The reason is busyness, وضيق الوقت, and the narrow time. So you can write this. Okay, write this too. Enough. These two are enough. Okay. Very good. Now let's go to the other one. Now the vocabulary, mufradat. Okay, اختر, choose الإجابة الصحيحة. You have to choose the correct answer. Okay, ziddun ra'iyah. Zidd means opposite. What is the opposite of ra'iyah? What is ra'iyah? First of all, it's amazing. Okay, ra'iyah means amazing. So you can use boring. Mufrad, singular for ijazat. Ijazat is a plural for ijazah. So where is ijazah? Yes, ijazah. Very good. Next, zid, opposite for jadida. Jadida means new. Qadima means old. Very good. Next, jama, plural for waqt. Waqt means time. Awqat, yeah, awqat, times, plural word. Very good. Zid, opposite for ishtara. Ishtara means to buy, right? So we want to sell. Ba'a. Very good. Next, jama adat, plural for ada. Ada means habit. Adat is a plural, habits. Next, zid, opposite for katir. Katir means many, right? So we want less. Yes, it's qaleel. Very good. Next, zid, opposite for mumti. Mumti means actually fun. So go for boring. Mumal. Very good. Mufrad. Mufrad for singular for amrad. We discussed. What is amrad means? Diseases, right? So we want disease, only disease. Marad. Okay. Very good. Next, muradif means synonym. Okay. Synonym for mumayyiza. Mumayyiza means a special or unique one. Okay. Which have the same meaning here. Sayya means bad. Mumila means boring. So farida, unique. So this will be the answer. Okay. Farida. Very good. This we have already done. Let's go to the other page. Yeah, it's the sentences. Yes. So we have to make a sentences here. Okay. أعتقد أن, I think that القلم, the pen, is suitable. So we have in Arabic the gender have to match. Okay. Al-qalam is a masculine, right? Okay. Sorry, let me take the pen here. Yes. Al-qalam is the masculine, right? So we want a masculine word, adjective here. So this is the masculine. So munasib, we have to write munasib. I think that qalam is suitable for my sister, walakinna, but al kitab, the book, is غير munasib. It's not suitable. Okay, next one. أعتقد أن, I think that sayyara, look at here, sayyara is having tamar buta, so we want, they are using munasiba, right? So in the same way, daraja is a feminine word, so we have to use feminine munasiba. Look at here, this have the tamar buta, so we have to use this one, munasiba. Got it? How to do that? We have to match the gender. Okay. Now, uktub, write the jumlatain. We have to write two sentences. Okay. Your teacher has already given one sentence. You have to make another sentence using this structure. Ataqadu anna. Okay. Come on. Let's do